One night, Tommy was fondly thinking of her boyfriend Tim. His birthday was coming up and she wanted to do something extra special for him. So she decided to ask God for help. Tommy called out, "God?" God replied.
Yes, my dear Tommy.
Tommy asked, "I think that my boyfriend, Tim, is the most wonderful man. He makes me so very, very happy. God, I want to do the same for him. Change me to the woman that Tim will think is the most beautiful, the most kind, and the most affectionate, and the most loving." God asked.
Are you sure that is what you want?
Tommy replied, Yes, I'm sure." God answered.
Very well, Tommy. You go to sleep and rest easy, for when you wake up tomorrow morning, you will have your wish.
Tommy was very excited, but eventually she fell into a deep, deep sleep. When she woke up the next morning, she remembered the promise God made to her. She sprang out of bed and ran to the mirror to see what she looked like. But she saw was a woman with no makeup and uncombed hair. Tommy recognized her. It was the same woman that greeted her at the mirror every morning. Tommy cried out, "God!" God replied.
Yes, my dear Tommy.
An exasperated Tommy said, "God, he said that while I slept, you would change me into the woman of Tim's dreams. I woke up this morning, I look like exactly the same. I feel like exactly the same." God answered,
My dear Tommy, I did not say that I will change you into the woman of Tim's dream while you slept. I said, when you woke up, you would have your wish. I didn't take an interest in your request just last night. I have been working on the
God answered,
My dear Tommy, I did not say that I would change into the woman of Tim's dream while you slept. I said, when you woke up, you would have your wish. I didn't take an interest in your request just last night. I have been working on that since you were in your mother's womb. I have been working on your wish for the last 20 years. I haven't made you into the woman of his dreams. Tammy, I have made you into a woman beyond his dreams.